Hey, good day, guys. This is Chibuzo Agowa, and you're welcome to Blogging for Tech channel. In this video, I'll be showing how to create videos without showing your face. Yes, your face won't be visible throughout the video. For instance, let us take a look at this video I created a few minutes back.
We all love eating coconuts. But if I may ask, what do you know about coconuts? Here are some interesting facts about coconuts you need to know.
Okay, let me pause for a while. So that's just a short clip of a video I just created using the tool or a platform which I'll be showing in this video. So basically, you can actually create a faceless videos in two ways. You can actually use a screen recorder, just as the one I'm using in creating this very video you're watching tutorial videos, and you can use a screen recorder. But the very tool or platform I'll be showing you, where you can create some amazing videos just like the one I just did or showed you some few seconds back. And that's what we'll be doing in this video. So I'll be walking you step by step. In fact, we will be creating a video similar to this very one you just watched. So if that's what you want to learn, if that's what you want to start doing from today, completely for free, so I advise you to watch this video to the end. So let's get started.
You are welcome to Blog Infotech YouTube channel.
So guys, you're welcome from that short break. So like I said from the beginning, you can either use a screen recorder just like I'm doing, or actually use an online video editor, which I shall be showing you. And the video editor I'm talking about is InVideo. I've talked about it in most of my videos, so I'm repeating it the same. Say yes, you can make wonderful videos from this platform. So what you do, actually I want to create a YouTube shorts again. So as you can see, there are 3 dimensions. InVideo has predefined templates which you can use to create your videos, as you can see here. So I want to create a YouTube shorts for my YouTube channel that I just opened or created today. So for a YouTube shorts, you're actually using the vertical 9:16 dimension, which is this. So I'll select it, and yes, to choose from the pre-designed templates, you can actually enter a particular keywords to search for a template which you're looking for. So in this case, I search for facts. Yeah, facts about the earth. So I search for facts about the earth, and there's a particular I wanted to use this template. I've selected it, and once you select this template, for example, you choose this, I'll take you to this editing platform which we are here now. So I don't want to waste much of your time, so let's do speedily. Let's edit this video before we download it. So I have to take this to the beginning. Let's play. I actually added a blank scene from the beginning because I want to add more to make my video to be lengthy enough, because initially the video is 37 seconds, and you know YouTube Shorts has a maximum of 60 seconds. So I included a blank template, and I want to include a video. As you can see from the left side here, there are lots of toolbars which you can use. It's actually the toolbar. You can see it has templates, it has uploads, which you can upload video of your own or voiceovers of your choice. You can also upload images, music, add text to your video. So now, since we're talking about Eiffel Tower, because that's the video I selected about, I want to write facts about the Eiffel Tower. So I'll search for Eiffel Tower because I want to include a video at the beginning. The pre-designed templates which you selected from the start has few videos. It is 31 seconds. So now I want to expand more on the video. So now let me scroll down. These are all videos related to Eiffel Tower. So I want some videos that is a little bit lengthy. This one is 11 seconds. 20 seconds I think will be cool. Let's see what this video is all about. Let me play and see what the video is all about. Play. Okay, the video is coming up that I selected. If it has nothing related to Eiffel Tower, I'll have to search for another video. Actually, this is not the Eiffel Tower. This is not what I want. So I have to close this and search for a video that has what I want. I'm just I want a lengthy video. That's the more reason why 8 seconds. All these videos 8 seconds. No, 8:20 might be cool. Showing the night view of the Eiffel Tower 25. Okay, let me say this 25 seconds video. What it's all about. I want to include it from the start. Okay, let's play. Play. Pause it. Play. Okay. I think this is perfect for a 20-second video. So all I have to do is to select this video. Yes, I want to add it. Let me add it to the first me. So now I have to expand a bit, expand a bit, expand to the top, then widen it. Let's see. Expand it a bit. Let's see. Okay, let me see how it plays. Okay, I think this is cool. So now I now have a total of, okay, let the video play from the beginning to the end and see what it has. Like I said, I want to write, or this video, or this YouTube short video will be about the facts about the Eiffel Tower. Now let's 52 seconds, which I think is okay for my liking. Okay, so I'm good to go. So now all I have to do is to move back to the beginning and let me switch the brand. This brand is actually showing that of Blog Info Tech. So I like to switch the brand. I have so many images, so many brand logos for a particular video. So I want to switch to this YouTube channel, which is this that I just created. So I want to use this logo in this case. So yes, it has selected. Actually do all this because I'm on the premium plan. So if you want to upgrade on the in-video premium plan, if you go to the description of this very video you're watching, I'll drop a link whereby once you want to purchase a premium plan, you are entitled to a 25% discount. So if you want to upgrade, you can actually go to the description of this very video you're watching, then upgrade to a premium plan so that you can do all these things I am doing. That is, you can easily add logos and there will be no watermark on any video you're creating. So I'm on the premium plan, that's why I'm enjoying all these benefits. So you can also do that and upgrade. So now let's get back to business. So I'm writing about the Eiffel Tower. Let me now, the video is set, but I want to include voiceover, and in doing this I want to use automated text to speech. I want to use automated text to speech. So the first scene, let's see the videos under the text I will add Sally. I don't want to use Sally. Let me go. I normally use Matthew as my AI voiceover. So let me stay okay. Have you heard about, let me say, have you heard about Eiffel? Sorry, go back. And about the Eiffel Tower. Spellings. Let me correct the spelling. Eiffel Tower. Let me generate the text. I want to check something first. Let me see how it sounds. Okay, no, I'm adding it first. Okay, and easily delete it actually. Play.
Have you heard about the Eiffel Tower?
Okay, it sounds great. So now let me go back.
Have you heard about the Eiffel Tower?
Okay. Skip a bit, skip a bit. See what. Okay. Summarizing Eiffel Tower facts. Okay. Go back, go back, go back. Surprising Eiffel Tower facts. Top 5 surprising Eiffel Tower. I don't actually go back, pause. So now I want to add a text, a voiceover in this very section, in this very video of this section of this video. So now I'll go to automated text to speech, then I'll say top 5 here, the top 5 surprising. Go back, go back. Surprising. Actually, what I'm doing, like I told you, is I want to use voiceovers, and I'm using the AI voiceover that comes incorporated with in video. I don't. You can actually use a voiceover using your own voice, but I want to use the automated text to speech so that the video will be a little bit fast. Here are the top 5 surprising Eiffel Tower facts you need to know. Okay, so now let's still generate. I'll click on generate. It is generating. So now let's play and listen.
Here are the top 5 surprising Eiffel Tower facts you need to know.
Okay, it's cool. So I have to add it to the video. So let's play and see how it sounds.
Here are the top 5 surprising Eiffel Tower facts you need to know.
Okay. And there, as in the text has shown the facts. I don't see voiceover in all the sections. I know the reason why I'm trying to avoid that. So now, in the last video, I always place call to actions. Let's see. The text it, I will do some things. Okay.
Have you heard about the Eiffel Tower?
Go, 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 go. Do you know? Okay, I can say subscribe to a channel to get more facts. That's what I normally is more or less my call to action. This is the last scene of the video. I can say subscribe, still using AI voice, text to speech voiceovers. I can say subscribe to our YouTube channel to get more amazing facts around the world. This is like a call to action because that's the end of the video. So it's always wise to put a call to action so that people can easily subscribe to your channel because you say so. So I say subscribe to our YouTube channel to get more amazing facts around the world. So let me generate the voiceover and let me play and see how it sounds.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel to get more amazing facts around the world.
Which is cool. So now let me add it. Okay, we're good to go. Let me shift this a little bit. Title
Our YouTube channel to get more amazing facts around the world.
fine. So now the first scene, I would still like to add more text actually. Talking about the Eiffel Tower. So delete. Let me say go back to the first scene. I've heard about the Eiffel Tower. So let me see. I'm trying to like imagine some text I would like to place at the beginning. So I will say, I guess you have heard about Eiffel Tower or probably seen it once in your lifetime. So, what are the facts? What are the things? Text has to come. So, okay. I'll say so. What are the things you know about Eiffel Tower? We're on the process of creating a video, just like I said from the beginning. So let's continue. So what are the things you probably know about the Eiffel Tower? Let me generate this voice. Let's see how it sounds before I add it to the video. So play.
I guess you have heard about the Eiffel Tower, or probably seen it once in your lifetime. So, what are things you know about the Eiffel Tower?
I suppose to say what are the things? What are the things? Okay. Let me cut this. Control C or Control X, cut it off because I made a mistake. I'll have to start from the beginning again. So what are the things you know? VoiceOver, automatic text to speech, and I'll paste this. Go. So I guess now let's generate and see how it sounds. I actually omitted D from the first this enter. So now let's see how it sounds.
I guess you have heard about the Eiffel Tower, or probably seen it once in your lifetime. So, what are the things you know about the Eiffel Tower?
So this is cool for me. I've included this. So now let's play this video from the beginning to the end.
I guess you have heard about the Eiffel Tower, or probably seen it once in your...
This text is not needed. Let me omit it. Get out. So
in your lifetime. So, what are the things you know about the Eiffel Tower? Here are the top 5 surprising Eiffel Tower facts you need to know.
I think it's okay, but all that is left now is for me to lower. I want to edit the music playing. Yes, the volume is too high for my liking, so let me reduce it to the barest minimum. Now let's see how it sounds. I think it's okay. Now
subscribe to our YouTube channel to get more amazing facts around the world.
So this video is okay. So now the next thing I'll do is to download this video. As you can see from this top section, it shows download. So I'll tap on download. And it will try to process this very video that I've done. And you can see, like I told you from the beginning, the advantages of upgrading to premium is that you can easily download video in 1080p pixel. If you're on the free plan, you can only download video with this lesser pixel, which the quality or the clarity of the video might not be as good as you ought it to be. So I'll have to export. So now once you export, it will prepare this video for download. So with that, let me pause the video for a while the video is being prepared, and we'll come back once it's ready for us to download. So as you can see, our video is fully processed and ready for download. Let me play it for.
I guess you have heard about the Eiffel Tower, or probably seen it once in your lifetime.
So this is a video actually. So now it's ready for download. So all I have to do is to click on this blue tab here that says download. So once I download it to my PC, I can actually upload this to any social media platform, be it YouTube, Facebook, or whatsoever on a later date. So the download is on. It's almost complete. So the download. So once I download this, I can easily upload it to my YouTube channel, just like I said. So with that, I don't want to waste much of your time. I've done so many videos that talks about in videos, which you can actually go to my previous playlists and see what I'm talking about. So with that, we've come to the end of this video. Like I said from the start, in case you want to get or be part of this family to receive more tutorial videos just like this, you can easily hit the subscribe button and also turn on the bell notifications so I get notified whenever I release similar videos just like this. So we've come to the end of this video. So bye bye for now and anticipate for the next.